Let's do one puff. Freaking amazing. Come on people. This might look like the window is open, but it's actually closed. Now this, ladies and gentlemen, is extremely comfortable. What's up everybody? My name is Reggie Cox. Welcome to this video. Ladies and gentlemen, this video starts with a little anecdote, a small story from beyond. A couple of years ago when I started working for Labo, I asked Marco the question, Marco, I see we have so many beautiful products inside our range. When are we going to make a glass cleaner? And the simple yet very close to the target answer was, why should we make a glass cleaner inside of a market that has been saturated with thousands of glass cleaners that all do basically the same thing. Clean the glass, streak free. That's basically it. So inside of Mafra alone, we already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different glass cleaners. All different ages, all different generations. Fast, easy and simple, highly degreasing power, foam activated, the upgraded version, more concentrated, easy application, finalizing something for in the Maniac line, providing degreasing and streak-free cleaning together. But then comes the question. Everybody has been asking me for the last couple of years, when are you going to make a glass cleaner? And I provided them with the exact same answer that Marco did. The market has been saturated with glass cleaners. How are we going to put something inside of somebody thing that's already so successful in the past couple of years? And then came Nitido, Labocosmetica's version of the glass cleaner. So Labocosmetica's glass cleaner, our version of what we believe is the greatest way to clean your glass so far. What did we do? We research and development as we do always. Let the chemical guys Giacomo and Ricky dive into this subject very deeply and then find an angle that none of the others can provide. So which is the one that makes Nitido so special from the rest? By itself alone, the viscosity of the product, not so much a liquid anymore, but a hydrogel. This will give you a more ease of application by the use of the product. We will show you in a short clip how this is in practice. So not so much me telling, but more in practice. The ease of application then with the streak-free result with less effort. So less effort as I mean you don't have to keep wiping until your arm goes numb. Using about 3, 4, 5 microfibers to get the windows and the screens and everything clean. So let's check out in depth what's going to happen when we are using this product together with the visualization of Vic running behind me showing you how I'm going to use this product. So until this day, I've been doing this for 24 years. Sometimes you still have issues with cleaning glass, either in sunlight, humidity. There are many situations where you can have difficulties. Sometimes it's a dirty microfiber that has been washed with fabric softener, leaves a greasy finish. You need 2 microfibers. You want to spray the product on the microfiber, rub it in. You want to put the product on the surface, go again, but then you're afraid for overspray because you may or may have not just freshly coated the car. And the last thing you want is get something on a freshly coated car. So just for Nitido's sake alone, the traditional method, the one towel onto the surface, wiping off, they all work. However, what's this? What's this? What does Reggie have here? What's this? This may or may not be something. You never know. You never know what's going to happen in research and development. But for argument's sake, I'm freaking in love with this one. Now, let's see what happens. I'll do the technique. Yeah, just going to spray it on. As you can see, it's a different sprayer. The reason for this is that you don't want to over apply the product to the windshield. This one is absolutely so concentrated and so fine that it's going to help you. And just forget my words. See what happens. Just see what happens. Yeah, Vic, you ready? Let's do one puff. Ooh, that's a good start. Nice and homogeneous one jet. Can you see why we changed the sprayer? You would overspray this and then start wiping like crazy, trying to get the evaporation going on. But this product needs to do these things for you. You know, I always say I'm the laziest detailer in the world. The last thing I want to put in is effort. I'm not lazy as in I don't want to do the work, but if I can skip some work by making it a lot easier, I will find that way. So I'm just going to do a a back and forth and see what happens, you know, just for the comfort's sake, just for comfort, because it's going to be very comfortable using this product. It evaporates streak-free. It's so easy to apply. The degreasing power it has, of course, we're going full inside of the latest tests that we still need to do before we finalize the product. Working in sunlight, I will get you a clip further on in this video to see the difference between evaporation, because I think the biggest benefit of this product, of course, it will clean streak-free. We like to have it concentrated, but the most important part is that you can work with it in any environmental conditions, any temperature, whether it's freezing or it's extremely hot or in direct sunlight, especially in direct sunlight. But I will come back to you when we go outside inside of the sun. What happens if I over-apply? This is what people tend to do very much when they're using a glass cleaner. Oh, you got that in video, Vic? Did you see that? Do we have to redo that one more time? Let's do that one more time. Frickin' amazing. Come on, people. Oh my Lord. That's amazing. And again, the towel it feels a little bit damp. You know, you saw me put, I don't know how much product on there, way too much for one windshield, or for one window. This is absolutely great. So the absolute nightmare of cleaning glass for me is on the inside of the car. Now, this might look like the window is open, but it's actually closed. And here comes the benefit, the special benefit, why I love Nitido so much. The hydrogel technology will make it stick without dripping to the bottom. This area where it's accumulating here, and then when the window goes down and goes up again, we get those streaks. So the hydrogel will keep it in place. Second benefit, it will remove the glycerin from the vape, and it will remove the nicotine from the smoke. Now, watch what happens. Just with one streak, you can immediately see it evaporate. You pass it once, and if necessary, the second time, and it's done. In any case, it's a dual Clima. What we mean with dual Clima is it works equally as good in cold temperatures as it does in hot temperatures. No worries whatsoever. So the change of temperature will never have any influence on the performance of this product. I told you about the benefits of Nitido in direct sunlight, that you have no more of these nightmares of the glass cleaner liquid evaporating and leaving the actual detergent left behind, making those greasy streaks and everything. So Nitido was designed also for this to use in direct sunlight, regardless of how hot it is, because I've got 55.9. I think that counts as in direct sunlight. The eyes of my eyes squinting should count for me standing in direct sunlight. Now we're going to do the evaporation test. We take a traditional glass cleaner versus Labocosmetica's Nitido. Let's see what happens. Direct sunlight test. That's beautiful. The hydrogel working their way, no leaking. That's done. Great, no? Let's just screw this. I just want to know what happens. Just want to know what happens. Let's do a traditional cleaning over here. A little bit just for the... Not very much comfort. This is actually dragging the towel over like sandpaper. Not comfortable at all. And what we always get is greasy, because there's parts, you see, this is the halos created by the glass clean. This is the absolute freaking nightmare inside of direct sunlight. That's why it's so difficult to clean in direct sunlight. Direct sunlight test. Nitido. Now this, ladies and gentlemen, is extremely comfortable. Child's play. Such a difference in comfort, removing of dirt with a normal classical short pile microfiber. No special glass cleaning towel in there. After 4 years, finally, we did it. We found something else that nobody's found so far. Nitido, your new answer to cleaning your glass. My name is Reggie Cox. Thank you guys for watching.
Labocosmetica.